Hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5 and its voltage sensitivity angular deflection per unit voltage applied is 20. The resistance of galvanometer is, so options are 40 ohm, 25 ohm, third option is 500 ohm and 250 ohm. So in order to find this, first we have what to do. We have to find out the current sensitivity. So the current sensitivity will be Ig is equal to N B A upon में K. So the value will be the for NBA is the 5 divisions. So 5 upon में micro ohm. So is equal to 5000 divisions per ampere. Okay. For the voltage sensitivity is the same, but it's like NBA upon में it's NBA upon में just a second. So it's divided by KR. So the value of V is equal to 20 divisions by volt. So in order to find the resistance, R is equal to Ig upon V. So it will be the 5000 upon 20. So this one will cancel. The correct answer will be 250 ohms. So the correct answer is 4. So let's see what's the correct answer. Yeah, the correct answer is 4, which is 250 ohm. Thank you everyone.